Hi, hello. This is Moon, and this is TVS I-cube. I find drop in my rear tire pressure every 2 to 3 days. I suspected it might be tire fitting, but later I figured out there was a puncture. I completely checked the tire, and there is only one puncture here. So let me demonstrate how to fix a flat tire. Okay, first turn off your ignition, make sure your vehicle is off, have a air compressor handy, make sure you put the handbrake. I have different puncture kit. As of now I am planning to use the leather stick to fix this puncture. These two tools are needed. Tire valve tool, so I'll be releasing the air. Meanwhile, let's take the screw off. This is a tiny screw which made a hole. Put the stick inside the tool. Make sure it's off the way in. Turn it in. Make sure it's all the way in. After you push it in, remove the handle with force so that the puncture tends to stick tightly with the tire. Now tight the valve. Try to fill with new air. It's 6 psi. .35 is recommended. Now let's check if there is any leak. There is no leak, so it's good to go now. So that is how you fix a flat tire of TVS I-cube. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.